So the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to create a website for your business. So sitawuqala ngekuthi site ku-cloud.ai. I've already sent the link for yona. So asengise igama lami DigiSkills World, okay? So sengiyibhala iprompt yami. So uyabhala ukuthi called in, you write the name of the business. So you can already copy the prompt link if I class in called DigiSkills World. Okay, make sure it's professional and excellent. My contact details are 7652 for WhatsApp and 79759865 for calls. And I can even attach in Anjanen, I can attach a poster to layer 70. So I just go to the plus sign, basically attach file or photos. Basically I go to downloads and I go and look for the poster as a class in, so that it gets more details. So I am using this one to get more details. So I'm going to go. Just have to find it first here. My downloads and see if we cannot just put it there. I'm just going to attach it here. Utawenda ukuthi lo msebenzi wami abe very easy. In fact, let me just take any of them that I've created before. Utawubalula. Here is it. Then I'm going to say open. So you can see it is being attached here. So as I'm attaching it here, then I can continue with the prompt. Okay, 79759865 for calls. Then make it classy. Now give me prompt for creating this website. Alright, give me prompt for creating this website. Then saying this is cloud, remember, long cloud. This is where we get ideas. In as much as I can still come back here, go Lovable, answer ask Lovable to analyze the data. So you can just type lapho when the app kanjani or website kanjani, then utavele akusebentele kahle. Otherwise you can also just Lovable apps now work in ChatGPT and Cloud. Uvele nje ulinke lo Cloud wakho na ChatGPT uvele nje ukulinke over here so that it is easy. Start for free. You see, I'm inside Lovable now. Let's go back here. Now I've already got the prompt together, so I'm just going to copy this and I am going to paste it here. Paste la. Then I'm going to say go. Okay, so it is going to spend some time, just take some time creating this thing. So right now kutanginika a preview of how this thing should really appear. So your app will be live here. Ask Lovable to build it. Alright, so right now busy, as you can see, like here, it is busy. It is just busy in year 7. So in the meantime, let's wait for it. Now in the meantime, as it is creating here, I'm going to open Lenny app. Let's see isela kusela ngitsite. Okay, let me use another browser for Sela. Yes, a perfectly new browser so that it balula. So I'm just going to create Sela sitting lapho sitengisa khona ama digital products ethu ne. So utawuklika le link lengifake in same thing. I think you do remember the link. Then you're going to set start selling with Seller. First step lo yendawo leyo bese uthi log in with Google. Even on the phone it's the same steps. Uthi log in with Google. Then we proceed. I just want to show you the basic steps so that utokhona kungena on the app aphandle kwe-stress ne. Bese your email is not verified. Check your inbox and email so you can send a verification link. Okay ne. So kufuneke ngiye ku-email nyalo. So zohamba uye ecingweni lakho, uya kuma-emails, this is Gmail, uyangena khona. Now ungena khona utothola utothola imessage letawuthi welcome to Seller. Make sure ukuthi it is the right Gmail, because lento bengisho ukuthi if you have many emails utaba nenkinga, because the email address lotologa in ngayo la ibe the same as the one lo isebenzise kungena ngala ne. So nje akuhambelani lapha. So I'm asking for them to resend a verification link, but nasongenile uvele uthi la uthi add product. Like there's nothing much, you just say add product bese bayakubuta uthi set up your bank details. Okay, your country, ku-country sine nawe sisebenzisa South Africa, uyakhumbula. Select bank, whatever the bank that you are going to be using, maybe asengithi i-FNB, First National Bank. So ifake account number yalelo bhange, the one that you are going to use. Account number, oh god, maybe let me just choose a simple thing. Ngifake Standard Bank bese sengifake account number yami Standard Bank 911 000 721 3002. So feel free to send some money in that account. It's my account, alright ne? Then you say continue. Okay, so my account details sekangenile ke manje. Uyabona la latula kubhala ukuthi success, account details have been saved ne. That's a good thing. So sengiyabuya angisabona latula ukuthi kubhala ukuthi create a profile. Now cover the drop down button kukhona ukuthi ube affiliate noma ube customer. So sine nawe sima creators ne. That's why lapha edolo ku create a profile ngithola. So yabona ukuthi la nama emails angenile. Verify your email address. So hi Alpha Cyclonic, to verify the email address click the button below. So cover tabani lo confirm your email. Yabona dokuthatha akubuyiselele. Alright, I'll continue with this one for now. Asesicheke ukuthi ihamba njani yabona na email yethu nayi, I mean i-website yethu nayi, it is live and kicking ngiyo le. Yabona learn the digital skills that actually pay. Stay tester but very soon. Alright, stay tester, let's put some real skills and stuff. Yabona. So if you don't like it, you can just ask for a different prompt. Now it sounds what you will learn: graphic design, social media, content writing, Facebook automation. All the details are in the website. So your website here you just send anyone who asks about your business over the business website. So the same as the one we created yesterday. It's a 1 week online course. Everything is here. Yabona ukuthi what our graduates say, seyasho ukuthi bosibani bangenile la coursing, basho ukuthi hayi kuyasetshenzwa la lapha phasi naye WhatsApp yethu nangichafata nje lo WhatsApp lo, it is definitely going to be saved automatically. Uyangithola mos. So this is amazing guys. This is good. It is not the best, so I can just restart it again. A totally different one if I want, but for the sake of the class today, this is good. So I'm just going to show you how to do the other part here, Nick save. Alright, let's see how far we can go on that one. Alright, let's stop this video. Alright, so now I'm going to start save it. Answer na saying la. So I'm going to say publish lapha etulo, batanginika ke bona their own website URL, Skill Africa Digital, yabona. Ungayi-edita nawufuna using this pen ubhale lo ufuna ukubhala, but if you are okay, you just say continue. Now if you are continue uthi public ne, uthi continue again, bese leave blank to auto generate, that's good. Bese icon and title la kucaleni ngiyahamba ngisusa in, ngichafata la lana kufuneka ibe lesithombe la, ngiyabhala kuthini, ngiyasilanza. I can just take this one, ngithi open, sengisifakile la. Bese Lovable app ngibhala kuthini, ngithi 7 days online training, yabona. Then social image isithethe ngesithombe lestovela lapha whenever we are sharing the link, so you upload it. Lesithombe lofuna sivele sonke isikhathi, ngathi sitawusebenzisa nasi ne. So ngiyasijuba kahle, ngiyasiletha nasithombe sethu sitawusebenza, ngithi apply. Sesingenile ke, bese ngithi continue. After that ngithi publish. So once it is published, it's just going to take a few seconds. So lesithombe lesi ngingasishintsha ngisende sami lesi if I want. Ukwenda khona la eceleni la ku Ask Lovable, uyasi-attach-a lesithombe, usho ukuthi asishintshe nasithombe nasiya sisebenzise naso, uyabona. As long as you've got credits, we are good to go. We are very, very much good to go. So right now it is still publishing lapha, as you can see. So let's just wait for it a bit. Updating. Now I think we are good. All right, now I say published. Now link yam, so I can just copy this link here, bese paste on WhatsApp, but asengidisendele mine. Yeah, let me just send it to myself so that we test it with yasebenza in. So you can also do that now. I would say send it to yourself and see if it is going to work. So you can just click it. Bonus nice nasi clicker kuvela kanjani. You see, now our website is live without paying any cent. Kude lapho batakuvalela khona ukuthi namhla sesikwatile ungayisebenzisa i-app yethu. The only thing la batakupenalize ngako ku-949, let's edit with Lovable. Why? Because sinesebenzisa i-free version ne. But asengithi nje wena ufuna kwenda a career out of this thing, vele ufuna focus on website development for my business, so you can just upgrade lo Lovable, just upgrade, bese you pay for it, yabona. You pay for it, otherwise uyabona ukuthi at 20 copyrighted 2026 DigiSkills World Manzini Eswatini, all rights reserved, yabona. It is so professional, guys. It is so professional. If you look at the one we did yesterday in class, it was amazing. The one we did, I was pleased with it. I was very, very pleased with it. Layer Afribex, you see, this is just another one we created. The one we used for practically Tolo. It was good. This is amazing. And imagine when we created just within a few minutes, and then app yako is a website business yako, it is up and running. All right. So ngalaksela sesi verify lela. So I'm just going to say add product. So after saying add product, sifaka in getting it's a digital product, so I'm going to say I'm going to choose digital product, but kukuwe you can choose any of these things. Kuthi wena ufuna kwendekeni i-physical products le yakho, noma you want to do streams online, noma you want to do a course, bookings, ama subscriptions, so you can even sell tickets here. Yabona. Now I'm going to say digital products into next. Okay, bese how do we upload the product? Siyayakha ke le product yethu right now. So right now we're just going to be creating the product. So I'm going to say images, upload, is to select a file from image into upload. Into upload files, browse files. Ngiyofuna sithombe endasebenzisa nasi, ngiyasifaka la. Okay. Without the file uploaded, wonderful. So I can use this image. Select file. Okay, says attach from some base name of product. It is what? It is our 7 days online training. So ngibhala logo bese price it's it's 300 emalangeni, right? All right, now okay, show straight out original price. Nabo ufuna ukuthi lento beyingu asengithi nje i-original price bekungu 500 bese wena i-sale nga-300 uchafatala uthi show straight out price. What is the original price? About original price yethu bekungu-500. Utawubona le product na sesiyakhile ukuthi itawuba kanjani. Alright, now normal insert text here. So ungathatha nje lana ufake describe a bit about the course noma the product. Yabona noma ngithi we teach you how to make money online. Yabona base categories. What type of product is this? So I'm going to say it is a drop down button nine button la. So I'm going to go for what? It is marketing and sales maybe. Yabona subcategories ungashare out logo or ubhala ukuthi it is what? Social media marketing. All right, now mshiyelo lona, then more details. It's a digital product. If ufuna kwenta ma pre-order, it is okay, just leave it like that. Bese give buyer access to a file. Now uthi la downloadable file kusho ukuthi kufanele sifake si-upload maybe anti class leli kusho ukuthi kude le file li downloadwako lana it should be a non-downloadable, but sine because for the sake of the class we are chafatala and go and upload whatever file okudzinga ukuthi uyi-upload. Nabo uthengisa incwadi nje uyi-attach la, but non-downloadable uthini-ke? Ngithi non-downloadable allow customers to view this file only on Seller mobile app. Ngithi no, don't click this one. Bese i-maximum file size, supported formats, mine ukhetha automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after purchase. Kanjani? Ngithatha ngiyaka WhatsApp ngiyofuna i-link ye-business yami, yabona? I-link ye-business yami or i-WhatsApp thing, that WhatsApp link ne, you can use the WhatsApp link uyifake khona lapha bese uthi create product. Yabona, there is something I missed here. Oops, looks like you missed something. You need to upload the product file. Oh, the product file, I did not upload anything here, so we need to upload the product file. After that naso create product, same thing applies. Kutanginike link ubuye uyipaste wherever uyipaste khona. Immediately people pay, le mali ingena la wena bese soyikhipha in another form. Let me check here. Let me check if I still have got access to this one. Seller. Okay, it means it is no longer there on my messages. Okay, I was going to show you guys how it goes there, but then it is no longer there. So akanjalo ke ma digital products wethu and siwathengise. So the next part itoba ukuthi how do we create music using AI ne? So I'm going to stop this one. The beat start the next one. All right, so let's move on to the next one. So now, how do we create music? There's a ChatGPT ne? So let's use ChatGPT for now. So right now, in my episode Tower 7 is it's ChatGPT na suno.music.ai. I'm going to send the links on the group. So let me just do that right now. So let's start with this one and paste it on the group. I'm going to paste it on the group chatgpt.com. The other one is what? The other one is Sono AI music. Yona-ke kwakha music le specifically. It is for creating music. So let's put it on a group to copy. Then we paste here. Let's do that. Wonderful. Sono.com. Alright, so utak ChatGPT uyasho ukuthi I want to use Suno for making music. Write me a song about the power of the blood of Jesus. You don't have to really make it gospel. You can do any type of song that you want, but for the sake of the class, write me a song about the power of the blood of Jesus. Make it emotional and spiritually inspiring. Basically, you just say go. Let's see. So ChatGPT is going to make us what? It's going to make us, yes, it's the power of the blood, a gospel anthem intro and stuff ne kubhaliwe konke lokho. So I'm just going to copy it. Now for Suno, I would pair the lyrics with something like style and stuff ne. So asesambe say Suno, let's copy this. I'm going to click the link as I sent it in the group. Bese you sign up email yakho bese uyeta ku create. So song description, that is where you paste the lyrics bese. Okay, nayo seyingenile ingoma yethu. So let me just add the style. So I'm going to add the style kancane. Style nas the style. So let me just copy everything so that ndawufaka style kuthi le ngoma yethu ikanjani. When I'm fade. Then I'm just going to paste this here. Then I'm going to shift this one a bit. Okay, now I'm going to say create. So in a few minutes time this song is going to be out. So noma awukwadi klabela, my friend, trust me, you are going to make a wonderful song using this thing. You are definitely going to make a wonderful song. So let's see. I'm going to just play one as an example. I'm just going to play one for you. What does this AI thing do? So you can become a serious artist first thing tomorrow morning after you've learned how to create songs using AI. So let's see. I'm just going to test one for the class. So let's look at this one.
There is power, there is healing, there is freedom in the blood of Jesus. I was lost in the darkness with no way to find my home. I carried all my burdens, I thought I had to walk alone. Then I heard a voice from heaven calling out my name. Child, you are forgiven. You don't have to live in shame. What can wash away my sin? What can make me whole again?
So you see, it is just as easy as that. I think you just heard for yourself how everything is there. The whole band is complete. Everything, every sound, every pinch, it is totally in there. So most of my artists like on, you can just be an online artist and be posting your music there. Akudingi ukuthi uze ube nemagig uhambe uyosebenzela inkampani lethile to get your music out there. So I was just showing you, how to create music using AI. It's a full song. Asengithi-ke soyakhila ingoma yakho. Where do you download it? So uta lapha kulama dots lang 3, bese uthi it is not yet finished. Ayikaqedzi kwakhiwa le ngoma lena. Okay, let me make it isaloda lapha, it's not yet complete. So let me use an example engoma lesevele yakhiwe. So click at the 3 dots bese uthi download, uthi mp3. After that it's just going to say upgrade and stuff, and especially download anyway, yabona. So when you say download anyway, it is just going to download into your phone. It's easy as that. So you release ingoma yakho sekumnanzi kunjeyana, uyangithola mos. Alright, so now we are done with, you see, I've just got a brand new song right here. It is just been created wonderfully and easily, just like that. So now I think we're done with that part. Okay, what's the next practical? So the next practical should be what? Okay, I need to do this one for you too. Alright, let's move. We are done with this. So let's just move it out of it. I'm just going to listen to my nice songs when I'm done. Okay, let's move. Now let's see, send this other practical. So let me use this different one. Okay, so this one is going to be about what? It is about creating your Google business profile. So creating a Google business profile. So let me just stop the video a bit so that I start on. And let's look at this one. Go business Google. So Go business. So I'm going to send the link again on the group. So it is called what? It is called business Google profile. Business Google. So I'm just going to copy it. So already lama links ale grouping, I'm sending them as I'm making the video for the sake of the class, but Nini, you will be referring when you are watching the video to see what is really going on. So you're going to say what? As I can see, sign in. So you're going to sign in your email yakho, usho ukuthi alright, get your business discovered on Google search. Angithi yonke business ifuneka ibe visible online. Why? Because nangithi nje la, let me just make an example. Ngithi churches in Manzini. Yabona? Churches in Manzini. So because business yakho akufuneki ibe local, kufuneka ibe international, yabona? Kusho ukuthi anyone lofika kokangwane should know where your thing is. And le nto leni setha ukuthi umuntu avele angene Google Maps and they can just come straight to your door. Angisabona nje la. If you have got a church in Manzini and it's not appearing here, kusho ukuthi you guys nisesemuva, because ema business profiles enu akude, ne? So your business should appear like this. Noma angathi lo muntu boutiques, noma athi salon in Manzini, ne? Salons in Manzini. Salon yako should be appearing here, but I value, because our tiwa, when we have never just opened your, it is free of charge to do this thing, ne? So let's go back here. So get your business discovered. Stalangan business name it's saying it's business name, it's Alpha House Enterprises. Alpha House Enterprises. Create a business with this name. Yes. Bese continue. Bese choose your business type. When is it an online retail? Is it a local store? Is it a service business? Okay, it's in a CSE. It is a service business. Ne? Then I say next. Choose whatever you want. Business category. It's in a under in Alpha House. Alpha House is on I think it is on services. What type of services? It is services that have to do with that business. So let me look for something similar like that. Let's look at something similar. Let me see. Professional services, advertising agency. Yes. So just choose until you find your business kind. Next, where do you serve your customers? So add areas where your business provides deliveries or home. So without seeing Manzini. So Manzini muphi Eswatini. Okay, Phinze kuphi Embabane muphi lo waseSwatini, because baningi bombabane. Bese kupha sengithi ezulwini. So now type wena kunginika ema options la ngephansi, so you just choose. Asengigcine la for now, bese ngithi next. Then what contact details do you want to show your customers? Nguphi inombolo yakuphi yakangwane, right? So Eswatini is okay. Cell phone number ithini? It's 76 sengifake 79759865. business yami. Iwebsite yethu, iwebsite siyitholile lana ngithi siyakhile somewhere here na website yami. So I'm going to copy my website, then I'm going to copy it ngifake la website optional. So I'm going to paste it here. Then add chat optional, text message, WhatsApp. Neufake WhatsApp link. Unfortunately, I don't have that time, so for pasting a WhatsApp link, so I'm just going to say 79759865. Then I'm going to say next. Then put your business on the map. Now start connecting with your customers across Google. Get discovered by people in the area, respond and stuff. Ne? I'm going to say continue here. I'm going to say continue. So right now kuyayakha nje kona ezisichubeka kona kuyakha. Ne? Please enter your mailing address. So this is what Eswatini. The address you provide here will be hidden to the public. Post office boxes are not eligible. Alright, so okay, Eswatini, yes, this is Eswatini. Street address, I'm not familiar with my street addresses. My street address where I am, but when if for you guys it is what Ngoseluhlaza 60, I remember a street like that in Baban. Yeah, Ngoseluhlaza Street. Yeah, I remember something like that. City, it is in Babane. Postal code Yasembabane. I see it's H100, yeah. But if you are not sure about your postal code, just go online and check it. Ne? You ask ChatGPT, then you say next. Yeah, then Siyachubeka. You are now verified. Please, you can reply to reviews. So are now verified. Next, because the business of negative business mambale. Now, add your services. Select the services your business provides, engagement with the right customers. It's an advertising agency, right? So I'm going to see here, and then I don't see create your own. I don't see marketing, just like that. Present next. So just make sure you choose what your business does. Base here, add business hours. Usho ukuthi siyavula maybe Sundays valile, Sunday closed, Monday we are open. Zivula ngabani? Usho ukuthi sivula nga 7 ekseni, izivala ngabani? Zivala ntambama nga 5:30. So just do that for each of the days until you are okay. Bese uthi next. But you can still edit this thing any other time. Then now add business description. Any business bazalwane, any business you have got to have this one. Very important, even if it's an online business, because umuntu utawuchecka online utofaka i-address yasendlini lohlala khona losebenzela khona, ne? Like I said, I don't have an office. My house is my office, so that is where my address is. Add business description. Now ufuna nje kuchaza kabantu ukuthi maybe we help our clients with being visible online. All right, then you say next. Add a storefront. I-storefront, it's the images lesiwasebenzisayo ukuthi utfola umuntu nakafika le utawufika abuke ini, asengithi maybe kuneligarage la ngephandle noma kunani, whatever you can, ungashuta even lestalad bese this is where you put the images. Select images, uyahamba uyosho ukuthi nawufika emnyango utawubona tihlahla leti nje, uyasifaka lesithombe la. Once wabona le tihlahla leti shothi soto utofika khona, noma once wabona le street lesi sotofika khona ne. So you just say add photos lapha bese you attach the photo. You can put whatever images lowafunako. You can add another one again, but for the sake of the class and out next, then add photos of your business. Khombisa ke la ngecards noma i-catalog lakho ukuthi these are the things that we do, so that bantu batowati ukuthi oh, you guys do deliveries, you guys do hairstyles yabona. These are just examples, so you can just go and select the photos again. It's okay. Tsine senda ini. I'm just going to let me choose this one. It's open. Ne? So you just say add photos. Bese we are scheduled this one, but it's open. So we are say attach here. I hope I still have got time. Yeah, I hope I still have got time on this one. Alright, then I'm going to say next. After that, advertise easily in minutes. Alright, so right now I'm going to stop here and start again. I'm going to start another video. So let's say get started. Already you're an Alpha House Enterprises, boost your brand. Get not noticed, elevate your business. Nyalo sesenda i-ads account ya Google ukuthi ukhone ku-advertise. Otherwise nangayidzingi you just say skip. But asengithi wena ufuna ku-advertise uranishe ma-Google ads, and it is one of the most paying businesses longayenda when they Google ads. Most businesses, they don't know that thing and they need it. So you say get started. Okay, wonderful. Bese nakhona you're going to link your bank account njengoba nganikombisa nasenda ema ads ne. So now your website, this is our website. Where should people go after clicking your ad? Ukuthi labantu baya kuphi nakachafata le ad yakho akayi website yethu. Okay, next. Scanning your website, learning about your business, because of never I check ukuthi vele le business yakho iyaphila yini noma it is a messed up thing. People come here after they click your ad. What's next? So we check your website yami kwayibona ukuthi nayi efonini ivela kaso, ku desktop ivela kanje. Yabona. What's next? Nakhona. Alright, let's move. Now ufuna kwende again the same thing nje lebesenda ngale ma it's ngale. You want to get more calls, you want to get more websites, leads and stuff. Yabona. Just choose. Nezenke to get more website sales and leads. It's next empower logo. After that, they are going to, we didn't find Google Analytics on your website. Set it up so you can get a clear picture of your ad performance. Skip for now. Continue without skip. Loading goals now. What customer action should your campaign be optimized to deliver? Customers complete the pages. They should do what? They should buy. Enter ad page. Enter the web page customers will see after they successfully complete the purchase, such as thank you, continue a sub without saying that's thank you. That's thank you for shopping with us. Okay, apply. Now sesiyachubeka. Customers completed purchase. Okay, sesindlulile bese ngithi next. Ngiyaseba sakha nje i-ad i-campaign akha nje i-campaign for running our online ads. Now bakukhombisa-ke ukuthi heading 1 anizobona ukuthi la kunetikhala la, so nangibhala anything here kuvela la. For instance nangithi want to make money online, so yabona ukuthi want to make money online is already appearing here because ngibhale la heading 2 ngithini, ngithi join our 7 days training, yabona heading 3. So you can write anything lofuna kuyo lana bakukhombisa nje ukuthi itawubukeka kanjani le ad yakho. Okay, now vacancy is not enough, you can still go on and say add headline nema description kanjalo usho ukuthi we teach whatever lofuna kusho. High value skills, yabona. Show a call to action button in your ad. Swaziland, ukahle Swaziland, so yafaka ufuna babashayele iphi inombolo 7652 3352, yabona. Call business. I-ad le. Next. Description number 2 asikamfaki. Okay. Don't miss our classes. But you can just ask ChatGPT to create the whole thing for you when ubuye nje uto-paste la. Ubuye nje uthi copy and paste, yabona. What's next? Bese, next step is what? Add images for higher quality ads, yabona. Ngiyaselecta. Sithombe ngifuna ti-7 la. Done. So whatever tithombe lofuna tivele kule ad yakho asesibone nje, yabona. So ngingafaka nalembeje yenanjaneni, lembeje ye-business la, or the poster for the business. Okay, now I'm going to say next. At least add one logo. Okay, ngathatha na logo yami nayi, put it here. Just going to put it right here. All right. Let's move. Okay, it is now selected. It is here. I'm going to say done. Present next. Otherwise, yeah, it is work. Choose the terms your customers are searching for on Google. Labanye bafuna in skills training ngiyam-eda, skills development ngiyam-eda. Ufaka nje the things that ema-keywords locabanga ukuthi bantfu nababhala nabasesha online batawufuna on. If you are doing a salon uyasho ukuthi hair done, weave, frontal, makeup, makeover, yabona, facelift, don't get involved. Anything lokuhambelana with the type of business you are doing, yabona. Yabona, whatever. Nasocedzile what's next. Then, does your campaign have European politics ads? No. Apply. Now, advertise near an address, advertise in a specific zip zone cities and stuff. Anjayibona ukuthi le circle yami ikuphi? Le circle yami imbabane namanzina ngithi. So nyalo sengasho ngithi M102, but angathi ngimanzini last time I checked. I'm not sure. M102 noma angithi, if you are not sure nangiyawin lapha. So yona nyalo ithe just this region over here. Say next. Set a budget to get the results you want. Ufuna uspenda malini? Maybe $1 per day. $1 ngase lime kubo 16 rand or 17 right now. So this probably 18 rand lo. So you can choose ukuthi ufuna kube kanjani. Asesibone another currency lesitayijwayela. Singaze sididwe ngamadola, so let's just choose one lesitayijwayela sonke. Swatini or South African rand, it's okay, just any of those guys. I hope I'm not wasting too much time. South African rand, here is it. So 20 rand lawyer, 20 rand, 70 rand. So just choose because of now spend the money. This is daily average 40 to 138 clicks per month. Okay. Since I'm going to spend this daily average, I spend 70 rand. That's a lot of money. It's good. Then I'm going to say next. For my ads, it's very good. Bese review a campaign. Now, sebakhombisa ukuthi itovela kanje lento yakho. Itovela kanje lento yakho. So if ungekho happy with asengishintshe in, you can just edit those things here. All these are editable, ne? Now so grinding uthi next. Now this is where you confirm your payment info. Lana it is okay. You ungafaka ikhadi lakho, ungafaka Swaziland, it is okay. Swaziland promotions ude create new payments profile. Lapho ke utofaka ukuthi wena uyini. Are you an organization? Noma you are akusinkinga but also individual noma organization, that's not a problem, ne? Make sure ukuthi uyafaka konke labo postal code and stuff or create. If ungafuni still you can just leave it. Alright, let me start another one again. So ngiyabuya ngithi add payments method, but angeke add the payments method ungakacedi la ku create le profile yakho, ne? But I already have a profile, so it's going to be a problem if ngakhalenye right now. So I'm going to skip it. Now when you are done, you are just going to, after adding your payments method, you are going to publish it. You submit. You are done. Say 78 yakho watakhombisa ukuthi your ad is now approved. And so I was just almost halfway here, just here. But thinking it is the profile. I already have a profile for Google things, ne? So this one is very important, guys. And why master ishale just on its own, you can start doing my services. Out seeing my to do it. You just need to advertise with guys. I run my Google ads, and this is how much I charge per month or per week. But it is good to charge per month or per week. It is up to you. So you can choose from there. Otherwise, what else should I include in this video? Okay, I think I've covered quite a number of things on these videos, ne? So now I'm just going to compile everything and then I'm going to send it to you guys so that you are able to watch this during class time, ne?